This is the fourth in a series of videos on graphing exponential functions. And in this one we're focusing on sketching the graphs of exponential functions, both exponential growth and decay. And so what I want you to do is sketch the graph of each of these four functions. And first let me make clear of what I mean by sketch. I want you to identify for each one of these the y-intercept, the asymptote, and then sketch out the general shape. So you don't need to do a table of values, though if you want to do a table of values you're welcome to. That often helps you whenever you get stuck. So what I'm going to ask you to do now is to hit the pause button and then work out these few problems and then check your answers. Okay, let's look at the answers to each one of these. And if you get these answers right, you can go on to the next video. And if you didn't, then in the following video, I go over in more detail the answers. So the first one is y is equal to 10, 1.3 to the x. This is what I was looking for an answer. The y-intercept is 0, 10. The asymptote is y is equal to 0. You should get that right because it's always y is equal to 0. This is exponential growth. So the basic form of the function is going to look like this. And generally I draw the asymptote as a pink line, though you don't have to. And that's the problem number one. So just check your answer and see if you got it right. The second problem was y is equal to 7, 0.6 to the x. Let's graph that real quick. Sketch that graph anyway. The asymptote again is y equals 0. You might want to go ahead and do that one first because it's always going to be the same, at least for these problems of this form. The initial value of the y-intercept is 7, so that's going to be the 0.07. It's exponential decay, so now it's going to decay as you go, and x increases, and the other way here, and that's your basic graph there. So again, if you got that answer right, then just check your next two answers. If you need help with this, the following video goes through these in more detail. The third one, y is equal to minus 30, 2.5 to the x. This is also exponential growth, but it's exponential growth flipped because a is negative. So you're going to start off at 0, negative 30, sorry. The asymptote again is y equals 0. I'll draw that in pink if you wish. Where's a dotted line? It's exponential growth, but it's flipped, so it's going to generally look like this. And then the next one, fourth one, is y is equal to minus 5, 0.9 to the x. The 0.9 shows that it's exponential decay, but the negative means it's flipped. So this is 0 minus 5. The asymptote at y equals 0. It's exponential decay, so it's going to look basically like this. And those are your four answers. Now, if you got those right, then just go on to the next video, which would be part 5. Otherwise, there's another video which goes over these answers in more detail.